Hey there, today we're going to talk about the pair of socks spread in the Sock Monkey Oracle card deck. This reading is a good type of spread when you're choosing between two scenarios. You know, like, is the situation really my circus, really my monkeys, or definitely not my circus, not my monkeys? You know, should I stay or should I go? So in this case, I wrote stay on a piece of paper and I crumpled it. And I wrote go on another piece of paper and I mixed them up and I set them on the table. Shuffled the cards. Okay, so if I stay, I got face it. If I go, I got partnerships. This is pretty clear that I need to face up to what's in my current situation, and going forward and taking the leap looks like a very successful partnership. So give it a shot. Let me know how this spread worked out for you. Oh, and if you're too tidy, you don't have to crumple the paper. You can just fold it. Namaste.